Hi Caleb, my name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence. Obviously, you don't need any help. You're already doing such a great job, and it's really impressive that you started your own business at 18 and it's going so well. But I do things that you can do to help scale your business and get it on another level to get more people into your services. Um, so 3 things that I'm going to tell you about, you can do today by yourself. Again, they will bring more customers. They're going to optimize your website for Google. It will enhance your platform and convert more customers, and it will get more traffic to your website. So the first thing that people do when they need landscaping done, they're going to Google it. A lot of people had ad blockers. I noticed that you were running a Google ad, which is great, but it's not going to reach everybody. They're looking for your GMB and then your website below that. So usually the Google ads are up here. There's the Google Business Hack, and then there's the organic listings down here. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about is content. Content is everything you see on your page. So it's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. Looks like you may have used Snaps, which is great for this. So what we're going to do is called SEO, which is search engine optimization. What Google does is 24/7. They have these website robots that take in information and they crawl all of these websites and they use the information that they find to determine where you're ranked on Google. So the more content you have, the better, and they want the keywords to be sprinkled out throughout the page. They don't want it bullet pointed. And the more content, the better. The more content you have, the more Google will use to rank you higher. So notice whenever you search Fine Lines, your company's name, the first thing that pops up is Facebook, and it's good. But you want your website to be first and then your Facebook. Your top competition, he is ranked first in the Google Business Pack, and he's ranked first in the organic listing. So he's getting the majority of customers. Whenever you Google their company's name, the first thing that you see is their website, and then you see their Facebook and their other stuff. That's what we want to see. And the things that I'm going to show you is going to help you get your website ranked like this. So first thing is content. The more content, the better. And you want to spread out those keywords. Every 150 word, you want your keyword to be in there, what you want to be found for. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to talk about are citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. It looks like you changed your company's name a while back. I would go back to where you already added the directory. Like if you added your company before in LinkedIn or Pinterest and then decided to change it, go back and delete it and then add the new company's name. This way there won't be any confusion for customers. The more citations you have, the better. Google uses that to rank you in the GMB, and you don't want to beat Ryan Longcare by just getting how many citations they have. You want to beat them by at least 50, and then you want to maintain that. So Google ranks you in the GMB based on your reviews, the quality of the reviews, how many pictures you have, and the citations. So the more you have, the better. Even if you don't see the purpose of having it, Google does. So it's better to just do it and reap the benefits than not do it and miss out on those customers. So I'm going to show you your top 2 competitors. First, we're going to do, it looks like you do more design landscaping rather than actual lawn care service. So we're comparing you to Daniel's Lawn and Landscaping. All right. So they have a lot of good information up here, but what we really want to look at are the backlinks. So they have a lot of content, enough to have 390 keywords. Google is going to use that information to rank them. And then a backlink is like a popularity contest on Google. It's, you can describe it as a voting system. So it's a reference from one website to your website. Again, this is called a backlink. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you're going to want to get the higher quality backlinks, and you want them to have high relevance to your landscaping, and you want that website that you're getting the backlink from to be higher in authority. So this tool I have is called Ahrefs. This is the power rating and the trust rating. The higher these numbers, the better, but you want them to be close to each other. So if this says 2.4, you want the trust rating to say 2.4 as well. All right, and I have another tool. We're going to look at how many words you have right now. It's called SEO Quake. This is a free tool. You currently have 946 words, and Google prefers that you have at least 150 words. So with using Daniel's Lawn Care Landscaping, obviously they're doing the citations. They did the content and they're doing the backlinks. So with all this, they're getting 217 people to their website each month. 10% of that turns into real leads, quality leads that they don't have to pay ads for. This is organic promotion for your business. You can do it yourself, or if you want to hear more about how we can make this work best for you and scale your business in the first 90 days, feel free to reach out and we can talk about the best way to go about that. The next one is Meadowlark. They are not ranked first up here. The first three positions is what you're going for. That's the majority of customers that go to it. But Meadowlark is down here. And let's just go ahead and look at their stuff. They have a lot of content, 535 keywords. They have almost 200 people each month going to their website. Again, 10% of that turns into actual leads. But the power rating and the trust rating, they're just getting whatever backlinks that they can get. They're not looking for the higher quality backlinks. Anyway, again, I know you're already doing a fantastic job with your business, but if you take these three things and start implementing them today, you are definitely going to start scaling your business and make it even more amazing than it already is. Thank you for watching the video, Caleb. I know that this stuff will do well for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I would love to chat with you about all of this stuff in this video, and we can get it scaled together. Thank you.